Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about how you can get your desired low premium option contract symbol from Alice Blue in Python. Okay. So as you know, I've been done a video related to the code data. Okay. So you can just visit Profit Data channel, or you can visit my Profit Data website. Okay. You can check the video with the code. Okay. So you can try that code. So in that I've been done explanation related to session ID and getting the contract and getting the LTP as well as symbol name. Okay, as well as OHSV data. Okay, so these things have been done. So in next, what I'm doing to this extension, I'm gonna take this code. Okay, especially I'm gonna utilize and get the desired low premium of option contract. Okay, so say suppose I'm looking for, like, as a 10 rupees or 20 rupees or 30 rupees. Okay, so I need to, like, get with the symbol name, then LTP. So according to that, so what happens, I need to, like, I need to go with the recursion. Okay, and I need to repeat, and then I can get the desired LTP. So these things can be happened through this code data. Okay, otherwise you can get with the WebSocket data. Okay, just give it symbol name, LTP, and in this you can go with the sorting method. Okay, so in that also I think you can go with the acknowledgement status, where exactly first after subscribing some symbols you can get that LTP, and according to that LTP you can perform the operations. Okay, so I think that will be a lengthy process. So in that category also you can utilize. If you feel like this things somewhat like, not desirable as per your wish, so you can go with the website. Now what happens is, suppose option chain contains, like, if you go with Nifty Bank, so what happens, your desired data get with in option chain, especially if you, like, try with LTP, you will get any ATM. Okay, so I've been already done a lot of explanation and given the code how you can get the like, this symbol contact ATM as an ITM OTM. Okay, so I have been done already, so you can check that out, okay, through this website or YouTube Profit Data channel. Okay, I've been already done the explanation. Now what happens is, suppose if you are doing this stuff, but if you are looking for desired low premium, it is kind of like, you need to process the information according to that one. Okay, so getting ATM might, like, if you go with LTP and just try to search certain things from sorting method and searching method, you can get from the CSV file. Okay, so I've been already explained getting from CSV, getting from CSV file. Now what happens is, suppose in CSV file you will contain a lot of stuff. Okay, so suppose this is your CSV file. Okay, and to process this information, you just to what you can do is, suppose I will choose some of the option index. So this is my option index, and I just compare with my LTP and just sort it with this 41,500. I get the symbol name. Okay, so it is easy. But what happens is, suppose if you want to get the low premium, okay, low premium symbol name, you need to process the information as per the LTP. Okay, so you need to give this symbol name, and instrument by symbol will fetch you LTP, and you need to recognize that LTP with an condition greater than or less than, and you can fetch the required symbol name LTP, or you can process the information as per your requirement. Okay, so now what happens is, suppose I got this stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna do explanations. All of this stuff I've been already done. Okay, I will run this stuff. Okay, so I'm already running this, and as you can see, I'm getting the desired output. Okay, so I'm gonna do this stuff as well. Okay, so I'm doing after market hours. Okay, maybe whatever I process the information may be slower. Okay, but in real time it may be faster, depends on your internet connectivity. Okay, and processing information. Okay, so all of the things matters. So now I will just check and iterate the things and try to get the LTP. So this is my symbol. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm doing a simple method, and whatever I'm doing, I am doing in a dynamic method, not in a static. So I can give a certain symbol name, okay, some syntax. Okay, as you can see, some of the syntax is there. So up to this, the syntax is okay. So on 8th May, the bank nifty will like get expired, advanced day, as you know. Now what happens, say up to this it is good, but 48,900 is dynamic and it is getting changed. So I need to like I need to iterate with like whatever the values are there. And what happens, plus 100 plus 100 you need to iterate. Okay, so that is how it will be there. Now what happens, say suppose if you are iterating, it will definitely gonna take a lot of time, and whenever you get the desired input, you should come out from the loop. Okay, so I will do some explanation. So I am doing a spot symbol. You can take it index or a stock. So according to that one, so in an F4 what happens, you will get an option index. With that you will get a option STK. So according to that you can give. So if I say this Petronet, so what happened, OPT STK. So according to that I can sort this method. So what happens, first I will give you the spot price and I will read the CSV files, get that LTP first. Okay, so first of all I will get the strike price from the code. So I will get the LTP and I will try to round it off. Okay, as it won't contain the random values or any of the float values. Exactly, it contains plus 100 values. Okay, Nifty contains 50 and mid cap Nifty 25. So according to you have to see and you have to give the input as a strike underscore seal. Okay, so according to that you have to give the input. Okay, for me getting less than LTP 10 of rupees, I need to get the desired output. Okay, so below 10 rupees, whichever premium will be there, I will get that symbol name and LTP. So that's how I am going. So what I am doing, I am checking with the contact name. So I am getting that symbol name. So I require to get the process information with the symbol name, with the instrument type, that is option index, with the strike price. So whatever the spot price will be there as an index, I will match with it and sort values with expiry date. Okay, and with the trading symbol name. Okay, so P will be sorted out. It's not like P first will be there and C. Okay, so it should not be there. So according to that expiry date and trading symbol, I will sort the values. Now say suppose I am good with each and everything and I got the desired input as my trading symbol according to the present expiry. Okay, I got the symbol and I need to change the C and P. That's it. Okay, so what happens, I say suppose I got this symbol from this above symbol static. Okay, and I will check the index of, so this is the main function. So you need to check the index. So whichever index values is there, I will add the C and according to that I will process the information. So I will add plus 100 to each and everything. So if I am going above in call method, what I am going, if I am going above method, okay, if I am going plus, so what happens, I will get a low premium. Okay, so as you can see from call side, if you get with the LTP, what happens, if you with ATM, if you are getting as downwards, you will try to get an low premium LTP. Okay, so what I believe is 51,000 is a low premium of mine. So 51,000 if I reach, I should get that LTP. So I believe I got 51,000 only. Okay, so as you can see 51,000, 9 rupees 20 paisa. So information is perfect. So only you have to process some of the information and just iterate each and everything. Okay, so sorting and searching we can do as per your requirement, give some input and go with, but it's a very dynamic one. Okay, you don't need to give all of the things which I'm trying to match. Okay, just as of expiry date, this contract or that contract, just give the symbol name and go for it. Okay, so that is how you need to be there. Okay, so process some information according to it, follow some of the syntax. Okay, get that LTP. Okay, just check that it is less than LTP. Okay, and you will get your low premium call and low premium put. Now what happens, that symbol plays an important role to place an order, to get that graph, the chart, in a WebSocket data to process the information. So all of the things will be helpful. Okay, so I must say that you run this information, get that premium call of low and put, and process the information accordingly. Okay, so I'm doing this stuff. Okay, so you can also do try. Okay, so I must say, check this out. I will paste this code in my website. Okay, and if you can try this code and let me know your feedback. If you got any doubt, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me via WhatsApp. Thank you.